Hi everyone, welcome to Decor variant. In this video, I'm gonna talk about house plant or indoor plants. So let's start. A house plant, sometimes known as a pot plant, potted plants, or as an indoor plant, is an ornamental plant that is grown indoors. As such, they are found in places like residences and offices, many for decorative purpose, and common houseplants are usually tropical or semi-tropical and are often epiphyte, succulents, or cacti. Houseplants have care requirements that differ from plants grow outdoor. Moisture, light, soil, mixture, temperature, humidity, fertilizers, and potting are all important factors. Each plant specifies has different care requirements, and care requirements can vary based on the specific pot, location in a particular home, and potting mix food. Most house plants are species that have adapted to survive in a temperature range between 15 degrees C to 25 degrees C year round because those adapted for temperature environments require winter temperature outside of normal indoor conditions. Within that limitation, there are houseplants which are native to many different types of habitats, from tropical rainforests to succulents and cacti native to desert. Many houseplants are either epiphytes or live in a seasonally dry ecosystem that help them adapt to the dry indoor air and inconsistent watering. Many houseplants are subject to often from tropical areas are understory plants, and because they grown in shady conditions naturally, they are often able to thrive in lower light conditions. Houseplants are typically grown in specialized soils mixture called potting compost, potting mix, or potting soil, and most potting mixes contain a combination of peat or coir and vermiculite or perlite. Keeping plants consistently too wet leads to the root sitting in water, which often leads to the root rot. Root rot is the most common cause of death for houseplants, but keeping houseplants too dry can also be detrimental. Plants require nitrate, phosphate, and potassium to survive, as well as micronutrients including boron, zinc, manganese, iron, copper, molybdenum, and chlorine.